Hi all, welcome to this third session on data model in Power BI. Here we are going to discuss about the schema that are available inside your data model, star and snowflake schema. So how these two are relevant in your Power BI, so we will discuss further. So star schema. So as we all know that in the previous videos, we have already discussed about what is main table and lookup table. Main table is nothing but it has the core business data like your transactional billing information. So, and your lookup table will have the relevant text related information. So, for an example, product 01. I have sold product 01 for quantity for rupees 1000. So, what is product 01? You will be able to find the relevant information in your lookup table. So, the star schema is nothing but a main table in the center surrounded by your lookup table. So, they are directly connected or established by the relationship by what? The key. So 01, product 01 is going to be present in both the tables, so we can establish a connection between these two tables. On the other hand, the snowflake schema is a little bit different than the star schema by the way of these lookup table arrangement. So as usual, center table, the main table in the center, they connected by one lookup table. Let's say for an example, product table. The product in turn has their own lookup tables like this. So we will see elaborately in an Excel file about how these type of connections are made. It is generally used for the hierarchical information. So when I talk about hierarchy, let's say take for an example Amazon. So if you open a website where you want to order something, so you will see like women as your higher category, and the next one followed by footwear, clothing as your second level, and then again if you click the clothing, again you're gonna see like ethnic wear, modern wear. See, you see the flow of information. It starts from women and then it just flows into one table to another table. So let's see this in an Excel and we will get a better idea. So this is our main table. Okay, remember the main table holds the core business information, sales, quantity, total sales, what is the price of the one product, etc. So let's say this main table holds this product ID. So I have sold product number 1 for this particular price and the sales amount. So product number 1 is nothing but you're going to find it in the lookup table. So what is product number 1? XYZ speaker. Product number 2 is 123 speaker. Similarly, 3 is ABC Bluetooth, XYZ Bluetooth. And these two are in turn belong to a subcategory called speaker. So that's why you're going to see this both belongs to 1 and 1. So what is 1? 1 is nothing but a speaker. And this ABC and XYZ Bluetooth belong to a subcategory called 2. So that's why you can see this repetition of 2. 2, what is 2? Again, you're going to find it in another table, that is Bluetooth. So let's say this Bluetooth and speaker in turn again divided into a category called audio. So that is why you're going to see this 1 and 1 both belong to a same category. So what is the category? You will be again finding it into a next table, another table. That is category ID 1 is nothing but the audio. So that is what you're going to represent it in your Power BI as well. So this is my product key. So your product table, product, let's say ABC Bluetooth. So what is this subcategory of the product? You're going to find it in the subcategory table like speaker, Bluetooth, monitors, etc. So again, what these main category, the higher level. So like for an example, audio, video, computers. So these are all under your main table. They are again in turn connected with your subcategory key. So this is about your star schema and your snowflake schema. In the next video, we will see how to convert the snowflake schema into your star schema in the Power BI itself. So see you guys in the next video. Thank you.